Hello, and I hope you're doing well, and I'm glad to welcome you to our apartment remodeling series. I am thrilled to have you join us as we take on the transformation of this incredible building, which features 2 floors and a finished basement. In today's video, we're starting at the very beginning. I'll walk through on the 2nd floor apartment on its current state. You'll see it all, the character, the challenges, and the endless possibilities. This is where our story begins, and it's perfect introduction to the incredible journey ahead. Each floor comes with its own unique personality, and I've planned separate videos to give you an up-close look at how we bring each space to life. From the finished basement to the top floor, you'll see all the magic unfold step by step. So let's get started. The building has been boarded up, as you can see on the right, and throughout the building you have radiators, so we gotta get rid of those. We're probably gonna put an AC unit here, and then we're gonna probably take this off, take off the carpet. There's drop down ceilings, perhaps because they didn't want to fix that, so we can fix up here. And also the frames on the windows, they're kind of big, so we're gonna get rid of that. And as we come to this side, the windows are a little bit newer, but we have to get rid of these radiators and the carpet, the tiles, and on the walls I see that there is wallpaper plus maybe a couple of layers of drywall, and then finally the original wall. It needs to be redone. And here on this room, let me turn on the light. You have one closet on this side, one closet on that side. And then you also have a nice ceiling that has sparkles. And this used to be 2 bedrooms, but now it's 1 bedroom. And they also had this nice looking carpet at one point. Now it needs to be replaced. And you have a radiator there too. Then you can walk up here. I'm assuming the bed was down here. So you have a couple of speakers and lights that we need to take off. And you probably have storage down here. This is what the ceiling looks like right now as up close. Let me take it to a wide angle so you can see this room better. So this is gonna be perhaps 2 bedrooms instead of 1 bedroom. And I kind of like that it has the controls right here. You have the control for the sound on the left and then the lighting on the right. So you have the lights here all around and then the speakers down here. So it used to look nice at one point. Right now it just needs to be updated again. And let's go to the next room. Here you have the bathroom. It has a big cabinet, which we probably have to get a smaller one to make the bathroom look bigger. You also have the drop down ceilings here, which doesn't help the room. It makes it look smaller because it's shorter, but we're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna get rid of this tub and perhaps all this tile too. And then the radiators also take some space off. Now the last room on this floor, you have some nice lighting. I think this is perhaps upside down. You also have intercom, which is pretty cool. And then you have the kitchen. And the kitchen also looked very nice at one point. You have the fridge on this side, then you have your sink, range, but also it's caving down inwards because there's on this side I can tell that they put flooring right here, so you raised the floor perhaps a couple of inches, maybe 3 inches, so it was a little bit higher. Coming up next, demolition. We'll be ripping out the old to make room for the new. It is going to get messy, but it's all part of the fun. After that, we'll dive into the design, the construction, and those exciting finishing touches. We'll share plenty of tips and tricks along the way to inspire your own projects. We'd love for you to come back and follow along as we continue this transformation. There's so much in store. I can't wait to share every step of this journey with you. So I hope you keep coming back to see the transformation. In the next few videos, we will see the process and perhaps give you a good idea on a project you are thinking of. Feel free to share your positive feedback and perhaps good ideas. I hope you follow me on this journey on transforming this place into a good home. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.